This is a drywall grid soffit frame. It's not your standard drywall grid main runner that you need to cut and place into a jig and then screw in DW90 clips. It's a SimpleSoffit, and it will revolutionize how you bid, build, and price soffit construction. SimpleSoffit is still drywall grid, and it functions just like a standard HD8906 main runner. The big difference is we will manufacture it to bend inside and outside to the 90-degree bends of your soffits. Provide us with your soffit section cuts and framing dimensions, and we'll prefabricate notches to your specifications. SimpleSoffit mains can be notched anywhere along the main for a combination of bends to create a variety of solutions. These are made to order, so SimpleSoffit mains can be any length up to 12 feet. There is zero scrap with SimpleSoffit mains. Compare that to up to 30% scrap you experience when cutting and forming standard HD8906 mains so your route holes line up for proper cross-tee placement. That's all in the past with SimpleSoffit. Just tell us where you need your main to fold and if it's an inside or an outside bend. When you bend it, SimpleSoffit will lock with a click with no screws required for most installations. Additionally, we'll punch route holes where you tell us so you never have to screw your cross tees in. Everything just clicks into place. For example, if you have a diffuser at a certain point in your soffit, your cross-tee route holes will be right where you specified them, so all you have to do is click your tees right into place. So, you're gonna lose the screws and the jig on your project. SimpleSoffit framing may cost a little bit more, but considering main runners only make up about 20% of a soffit installation, plus the elimination of drywall grid main runner scrap, SimpleSoffits will bid and install faster and cheaper than stud and track and traditional drywall grid jigged installations. Want to run some of your own comparison calculations? Go to armstrongceilings.com/savingscalc and test run our soffit savings calculator. You can calculate 5 different common soffits. All you have to do is enter in your labor rate, your soffit measurements, and material pricing. We will compare that soffit 3 ways so you can see if SimpleSoffit is the solution for your next project. To learn more about SimpleSoffit, visit armstrongceilings.com/SimpleSoffit.